entertaining, informative. It's all about sports. If you've got a time, we've got a game. It's game time on Core TV.
Pag basketball ang pinag-uusapan, siguradong dudumugin yan. It is undoubtedly one of the most popular sports in the world.
Brace yourselves. Get ready for Game Time Top 10 Plays. From the first game of the 2010 LBT Basketball Cup. At number 10, here's the star player of UNP. Batario made it strong to the basket and won. At number 9, isa pang pambato ng UNP, kinuha sa ilalim. Next at number 8, libreng-libre, dire-diretso. Here's UNP's number 7, Batario. At number 7, meron pa bang iba? Ang numero 7 with a strong move. At number 6, dumaan sa gitna, walang kumukontra. Another basket from UNP. At number 5, binawi naman ng kabila, a power move from the man in white. At number 4, here's another one from Batario, the main man of UNP. At number 3, mula sa mintis ng kasama, here's a big man from UNP with a putback. At number 2, halos lahat ng players ng UNP pumuntos. Eto pang isa, going straight to the basket. At number 1, sino pa nga ba? Ito ang tirang ala Cyrus Baguio. Under goal mula kay Batario. There you have it, Game Time Top 10 Plays from the Season 6 of the LBT Cup 2010. Brace yourselves, get ready for Game Time Top 10 Plays. At number 10, Michael Serino of PSU picking up his own miss, putting the ball back to the basket. Coming in at number 9, a point guard from MMSU, guarded by 3 white shirts, lays it in for an easy 2. At number 8, PSU answers back with a nice assist from Cacho to Serino for another 2. At number 7, John Paul Lulu of MMSU does it all. Here's an offensive rebound and 1. At number 6, what MMSU can do, PSU does it too. At number 5, the hardworking man of MMSU, tapping the ball twice and scores. At number 4, here's the big man with another offensive rebound plus a basket. Coming in at number 3, the former game idol Michael Sarino penetrates inside and he's not gonna be denied. At number 2, after the steal, he takes it all by himself, taking the shot from coast to coast without hesitation. And now at number 1, here's a classic example of a hang-tight move. MMSU's main man hanging in the air as if nobody does it better. There you have it, the top 10 inside plays, only here on Game Time.
Hi, this is Jericho Deniera. It's Game Time on Core TV.